Steffanie. Welcome to Steffanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the Stephanie's Journeys family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Don't forget to click on that all on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today, I got a Misfits unboxing for you, and I did order a few things this week. I think it was only oranges. I don't think I ordered anything additional besides that. Well, no, I think I ordered some more of that Unreal candy. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my box this week, then stick around and stay tuned. Let me flip the camera around and we'll get to it. Okay guys, I didn't get no scissors. So, let's get some scissors and open it up and see what we got this week. I like this kind of packaging the best out of all of it. Ooh, it's still ice frozen. It's Saturday today. I decided to do the video when I got it, as opposed to when I didn't. Oh, these are some big old oranges. Navel orange. These are navel oranges. I think I ordered the navel oranges as part of my package, and then I got some additional oranges on the side. And again, today I have on my contacts, so I can't read them. Make sure these are the navel ones, but I got the ones that are red in the inside. I forget what they're called, but as always, I'll put my little order up on the screen so you guys can see. Let me throw this ice pack in the sink so I have some room. But I got some oranges. These must be the blood red ones, so it's the red on the outside. But I got some of those and some tangerines. I got some collard greens. You guys know if I can order collard greens, if they have them, I always order these, as well as the dino kale. So I did get that this week, and these look pretty good. Pretty good. So I'll probably cook these for my Sunday dinner tomorrow. Lent starts on Wednesday. It's Wednesday on the 17th, so I'm only going to be eating veggies and fruits and stuff. No processed meats, fake meats, or none of that. So, got some kale. This looks kind of like the kale I grow in my garden. This is red kale, and I'm growing red kale in my garden, but I don't know if this is the same kind. It's still growing in the wintertime. It didn't stop growing. It's not growing fast, but it's growing. I don't know what that is. But it's my dino kale. My dino kale is still growing in my garden. It's slow growth because, of course, you know, it's cold. But it hasn't killed off. A few of my collard green plants have killed off. I probably should do a winter garden update and show, you know, what it's looking like now in the wintertime. But I ordered mostly greens. I don't know what that is in them. It looks like, first I thought it was mold, but it's not. I don't know what the hell it is. It's like the stuff that comes from the inside of this. It is. That's exactly what it is. That stuff. How did it get a hole in it? And then it's all over my food. I just cleaned my floors. And now I'm going to have to shake it all out. And then wash it and get it from out of there. And I got some bib lettuce. Green leafy lettuce. This is a big old head of lettuce. Which I'll probably use for salad since I'm not going to be eating bad. I got to eat good. I ordered a bunch of spinach. Not a bunch of, this is a bunch. But some spinach. It looks pretty decent. That looks a little bad. Got big old leaves. Excuse me. They gave me 1 broccoli crown. And got some red cabbage, which I love. Red cabbage and yellow and green cabbage. I love them both. I got 1 zucchini. And 1 yellow squash. I hate that this stuff is all over my food. And I'm kind of weird about that kind of stuff. Anywho. So let's get the rest of my oranges out from out of here. Tangerines, tangelos, mandarin oranges, whatever you want to call them. And I bought 2 sets of those. They're tiny this week. Oh, one is busted. Well, shoot. Can't eat that at all. I'll throw that away. Because I don't know what this stuff is. It's coming outside of this package. But we got some plum tomatoes. You can call them cherry, plum, whatever. These chick like cherries, plums, whatever. Then I got some red potatoes. Three of those. I think that's it. Yep. Another orange. And then this is my extra. These are like Snicker bars. And then these are like Reese cups. And I don't know why I ordered these because for Lent, I'm not going to be able to eat these. So I might just, you know, keep them in here. They're good until 2021. So, and they're individually wrapped. So I might eat a few of them before Lent and then just open up one of the packages. Probably this one because I had these and I like them. And these expire in 2021 as well. And I haven't tried these, but I wanted to try them. And feel like it's less of these in there than of these. So those are the 2 additional things I ordered. And I don't know what's in here, but let's see if they gave me. I don't want to inhale that. So that's it for that. Let's see what's in. Oh, there's tomatoes too. I ordered some Roma tomatoes. Plus I'll be making salads and stuff since for Lent. Oh, I got a bunch this time. And these look really good. The ones last time didn't look all that great, but these look really good. Good messages. So this is everything that I got. I think I ordered these extra. I don't think I paid for these. I don't think they were part of my package. So I put them over there with the stuff I ordered. I know I ordered these as part of my package. And then these oranges and tangerines were actually add-ons. I laid that over there because it ain't no good. And we'll put those there. Put spinach. I'm just trying to tear up everything. Collard green, green leafy vegetables. Get those. Purple cabbage and purple kale. And then my red potatoes. Alright, they haven't been sending me any recipes. Maybe because I've been giving them to y'all for free. I don't know. But I don't have any. I didn't have any last week. Don't have any this week. But again, this is everything I got in my package this week. Okay, we'll go over real fast. The things that I purchased myself was these 2 chocolate candies, as well as these tangerines, and then these red blood oranges. I don't know what you call them. Then what I ordered, and these cherry tomatoes, I believe I ordered separately, but I may not have. Don't know, can't remember. Okay, and what I got is purple kale, purple cabbage, green leafy lettuce, some spinach, collard greens, dino kale, a crown of broccoli, 3 red potatoes, 1 summer squash, 1 zucchini, the cherry tomatoes, plum tomatoes, whatever you want to call it, cherry tomatoes. These are plum tomatoes. And that is it for what I got this week. Again, if you want to try Misfits, I'll leave the code here on the screen. I get 25% off my next box, and you get 25% off your first box. And then you get a code, and you can share it with everyone that you like to share it with. If you like the service, if you find, you know, that you get something in your box that's not suitable, just give them a call, shoot them an email, hit them up on their social, and they will make sure that everything is good and dandy. I love the service. I've been using it for over a year. I don't get paid for it, nothing other than the 25% I get when somebody orders a box. That's it. But everybody gets that because everybody gets the code. So, once again, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Oops, and that fell. It gotta be clean anyway. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.